Hey, I'm Anji.
And I'm Ryan.
And we are
Happy Healthy Vegan!
Guess where we are, guys?
My friend works here at Disneyland and got us some free tickets for Angie's birthday, which is happening right now as we speak.
47 years old.
And as you may guess from the title, we're here to investigate all the vegan food options that actually there's quite plenty of at Disneyland, surprisingly.
So come along with us on my birthday trip to Disneyland. Luckily, my favorite things that I've always eaten here over the years are vegan, so we'll just be trying a couple new things, yeah, based on our research, and let's get into it. We're gonna go have some fun today.
We're starved already.
I know, I am.
Mangoes, not too shabby.
Okay, so we're already in Adventureland, and this is our favorite spot. We usually come here over and over because this is the home of the Dole Enchanted Tiki Hut.
And there's tons of Dole things that we're gonna eat all day, as you'll see.
So here we are. I've got the Dole Whip float.
I got the Dole Whip, and despite what it might look like, these are 100% vegan. Just pineapple goodness. I think I'm gonna mono on this all day.
We often travel together, wind and rain.
I am Tangaroa.
So it is officially my birthday. I've got a gigantic pin to let everyone in the entire park know. It is Angie B's birthday, and I'm in the house. So we're gonna go on the Haunted Mansion.
Nice breakfast.
Lots of peppers, unfortunately for you, huh? Alright, let's see what Ryan thinks. Messy, right?
Yeah, we're done. Went back in, got a side of rice. Might go get a side of beans in a second too.
Oh man, it looks good. I want some. Alright.
I got the beans too. Couldn't resist.
Big healthy gut bread.
They gave me one on the house.
Oh, what's that?
I got one on the house.
Drink up me hearty yo-ho. With devils and blacks, you really bad eggs. Drink up me hearty yo-ho.
check it out. Oh, they're going in. Oh.
We're gonna get shrunken into an inner.
So this is the vegetarian gumbo bowl and a sourdough bread, and we have it on good authority that it's vegan, so we're gonna enjoy it.
Flavors are a little intense compared to what I make at home.
Well, not exactly health food, but the Tomorrowland Terrace sells French fries. Vegan, I checked with them and everything.
To be fair, there was a portobello vegetable sandwich, but we're too full for that right now.
Yeah, no more bread right now. We're cool. Dole, number 5, and woo, got this one on the house too.
And Cinderella is spending happily ever after with her Prince Charming.
It is officially closing time here at Disneyland. They're trying to kick us out. But Ryan just had to get one more Dole Whip.
You know, this is the, my dream to eat pineapple Dole Whips all day. We've done it.
I know, it was like it was your birthday. So wow, I look as tired as I feel.
Yeah, we had a big day here. It's our big
really
adventure.
did. We had a big 3 days. But yeah, so we enjoyed all the vegan food we found. I thought maybe I would try to eat even more, but I'm pretty full.
Yeah, we've been eating all day, guys. Seriously, I don't know how many calories we've had, but we're carving up.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy.
Mentioned too, yeah, we know we didn't always eat the healthiest food in the world, but we made sure it was vegan, for all different types of vegans to find something to eat here.
We had thought we might try to go like more fruitarian, but the fruit is not very ripe. Like the bananas are green, and the pineapple, the mango is really hard.
Yeah.
The pineapple stuff is really the best bet.
This is it, guys.
Yeah, pineapple juice is really good. Maybe next time we come, we'll try some of those other dishes that we found at the end of the night when we were a little too full to get into them.
Yeah, I'll try that vegan burger at the Carnation.
Yeah. Like the video if you're into it, subscribe for more vegan entertainment from Ryan and me here at Happy Healthy Vegan, and until next time.
Keep it carb, baby. Keep it carb.
Disneyland. That music in the background is awesome. It started up.